Let's discuss the basic circle terminology. It is very important that we remember the basic circle terminology as we start Euclidean geometry. Let's consider a circle with center O. Right, we have the line that passes through the center from circumference through the center to circumference. What do we call this line? This line is called the diameter. Right, diameter is a line passing through the center of a circle and there's two endpoints at the circumference, and it passes through the center. We have radius. Radius is a line from the center to the circumference of the circle. It is from the center to the circumference of the circle. What's the relationship between diameter and radius? Diameter is 2 times radius, or you can say radius is half times diameter or half of diameter. Chord. What is a chord? A chord is a line joining 2 points on the circumference of the circle. Like this is the chord here. That's a line joining 2 points on the circumference of the circle. Right, if I may ask, is diameter a chord? Because it joins 2 points on the circumference of a circle. So you can say yes, diameter is a chord. It's a special type of a chord because it divides the circle into 2 equal parts. Okay, or it's from circumference through the center to circumference. So diameter is also a chord. Right, this is the chord, a line joining 2 points on the circumference of a circle. And then we have this portion of the circumference. It can be anywhere. It can be anywhere on the circumference. It can be here. It can be anywhere. So this is called an arc. An arc is a portion of the circumference of a circle. We have this region which is formed between a chord and the arc. What is it called? This region is called the segment. A segment is a region created by a chord with the arc of the circle. That's a segment. And then we have this region which is created by the radii, this radius, and then this radius and an arc. The region between the 2 radii and the arc is called a sector. A sector is a region created by the arc of a circle and 2 radii. Take note, this is the sector, this is segment. We have this line. It does not have 2 endpoints, but it passes through the circle. It is called a secant. A secant is a line passing through 2 points on the circumference. Okay, it passes. It does not have 2 endpoints at the circumference. That's a secant. And then the last line that we want to talk about is the tangent. A tangent is a line touching the circle at 1 point. A tangent is a line touching the circle at 1 point. That's a tangent. Okay. And then if we check the chord, this is the chord. The chord divides the circle into 2 segments. We have 2 segments here. We have a smaller one and a bigger one. So the smaller one is called the minor segment. In the bigger one, the whole purple region is the major segment. Also, we can say we have a minor arc, which is from here up to there. And also we have a major arc, which is this. This is the major arc. This is the basic terminology that we have to remember when dealing with a circle.